Hello, this is Ashley from the ACMS team, and I am going to show you some tips and tricks for using Adobe Acrobat Pro and how you can do some very specific things with Adobe and Word. First of all, I'm going to show you how to cut and paste from a PDF to a Word document and vice versa. I'm going to show you some tricks about bookmarking and tabbing and what those mean, what they look like, how to search text in a PDF, and you can also do that in Word as well, and how to make bookmarks inside your PDFs. Sometimes that's super helpful if you have a large SOP that you need to put some bookmarks in, or maybe any other document, maybe an ACL that you wanted to take a look at. First of all, let me show you how to cut and paste between a PDF and a Word document. As you can see on my screen on the left-hand side, I have a PDF, and then on the right-hand side, I have a Word document. First of all, be sure you're working in Adobe Acrobat Pro, and you can tell by the top part of your screen on your Acrobat, it should have the document name, .pdf, and then it should say Adobe Acrobat Pro. Mine is the 2017 version, but any Adobe Acrobat Pro will work for editing. If yours is a reader version, you won't be able to edit, so make sure you do have the Pro version. The first thing you're going to do is click on the Tools portion here in the upper navigation bar and click on Edit PDF. Now what that does is it turns your document, your PDF document, into a series of boxes with text in them, and then you can make any changes. So if you wanted to change a date or some words on the document, all you have to do is click on it. It takes a second for the program to make it editable, and then you can change the words on the document just by simply typing in there. Let's see. Now in the Word document, let's just say you have a paragraph in the Word document that you wanted to copy, and you wanted to put it into this document here, this PDF document. So first thing I'm going to do is make a little spot for it by hitting the Enter button, and then I'm going to go over here and I'm going to copy this text in the Word document. Then I'm going to go back, make sure that I'm clicked into my little spot here, and then I'm going to paste that. And as you can see, it's just like using Word. It's going to take that copied text and it's going to put it right in there. So you don't have to type it all. You can just copy it from the document. Now the one thing you need to be careful about is when you add text into one of these boxes, it makes, of course, the box bigger. So you might run into some problems with spacing. So you might have to move some words around so that you can space it properly. So I might have to take this, the shopping for food paragraph, and put it down here and kind of push things down a little bit so that it fits nicely on the page. You can also do it the other way around. Let's just say that there is a paragraph in my PDF document that I wanted to copy. So I'll copy that. Then I'll go over here to my Word document, and I'm going to make a space for it, and then I'm just going to paste it right in there. So again, it's very easy to paste text from Word to a PDF and PDF to Word. It's very simple. The next thing I want to show you is tabbing. So let me close my Word document and make my PDF a little bit bigger. I'm going to get out of editing mode by hitting this X in the upper right hand corner here. And I always like to look at my text kind of full page, so it's a little bit cleaner. And then I'm going to open a couple of other PDFs. So I'm going to open my release notes, I'm going to open this ACL, and I'm also going to open, let's see, this decision cover page. So you can see I have 4 different PDFs open. The sample, ACMS, the all-county letter, and the decision cover page. And you can click between all of them whenever you need to look at them. You can also take them and move them around. Like I want my release notes at the end, and I want my all-county letter in the beginning. And what I did there was I accidentally took my all-county letter and pulled it out. So let me make this small. and I want to put it back into my list of documents here. All right. So you can move these documents around in your tabs. So those are the different tabs. And then if you are done looking at a particular document, let's just say I've looked at this cover page, I'm done with it, and I just want it to go away, you can just hit that X, and that will take it out of your listing here. You can view them in different styles, like some people like to look at it in full page. That's this icon here, or screen width, or full page, whichever is your favorite. And whatever you pick for this document is not necessarily what the other documents are. You can make this one screen width, and then this one is in full page. So it's up to you how you like to view your documents. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is how to bookmark a particular document. So you have this sample PDF right here, and you want to add some bookmarks. So let's say you're here at the appeal rights. So what you're going to do is just put your cursor right there where it says appeal rights and right click. And you're going to see the third choice is add a bookmark. So we're going to click add a bookmark. Oh, let me take away all these other bookmarks that I've put in here. Okay. So right click and you're going to say add a bookmark, and it's going to give you this untitled. So right here is where the appeal. Just type in appeal rights, and then I'm going to go down to, oh, here's my decision facts. So I'm going to right click again, I'm going to add a bookmark, and I'm going to call it decision facts. I'm going to scoot down. Now here's the order. I'm going to click on order, and I'm going to hit right click and say add a bookmark, and I'm going to call this decision order. Now if I wanted to quickly go back to facts, I can just click on decision facts. It's going to take me right there. Or decision order, or back to the appeal rights. Maybe I want to bookmark the decision cover page, so I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to add a bookmark, and I'm going to call it the decision cover page. So if I go down to the order, read my order, go back to the decision cover page, and it takes me right there. It's a great way to navigate very large documents. You can put your own bookmarks wherever you need them. Okay, so let's just say you have a decision, and I'm going to close bookmarks, and you're looking for a particular word or your particular phrase within a decision. You can use this magnifying glass to look for a particular word or a series of words. So if you're looking for a provider, somewhere where I said provider, and you type in provider in this find box, so you click this magnifying glass, you're going to get this find box on the right hand side, and put in the word or phrase you would like it to search for, and hit enter, and it's going to take you to the first occurrence, and it's going to highlight it. So you can see here I'm in the law portion of the document, and the first time the word provider appears, or providers appears, it appears right here. The next time I hit this next button, and it's going to show me the next instance of this word provider. And I can keep clicking through and find where the word provider is throughout the entire document. Okay, and then it says I've looked at everything, and it lets you know when you're all done looking for the word provider. You can also do a series of words, and it's going to look for a series of words. So if you type in provider 2, it's going to look for every instance of where it finds the words provider 2 together. Okay, so that is how you can search text in a PDF. Same thing with a Word document. So let me look at this Word document here, and you can see in the home ribbon, you're going to see to the far right here a magnifying glass that says find. Or you can use a keyboard shortcut, Control F, and that's going to give you this navigation over here, and you can type in the word that you're looking for. Again, same way. It's going to highlight in your document in yellow every time the word claimant appears, which is quite a bit in a decision. It also kind of gives you some little snippets here on the side so that if you don't want to scroll through the document, you can look at these snippets and say, that's the one I'm looking for. You can click on it and it takes you right there to where it appears. The claimant appeared telephonically. The highlighter is a little bit different color for the one that you click on. So that is how you find certain text or a series of text in a Word document. All right, the next thing I want to show you, I think that's pretty much it. I showed you how to cut and paste from PDFs to a Word document back and forth, how to make those edits just by simply typing in a PDF, how to use bookmarks and tabs to look at different documents and different places within a document, and how to search for text within a PDF or a Word document. Hopefully that helps you out a little bit on how to use those features with Adobe Acrobat Pro and Microsoft Word. If you do have any questions, please let me know. This is Ashley Lucas with the ACMS team. Thank you for viewing this video. Bye.